Good morning, students. Welcome back to EVS class. So, as we have learned about some of the natural and man-made sources of water and why and how water is important in our daily life, today we will be looking into our next topic, that is water in food items. So, in our last class, we have seen that water is very essential for life. For human beings, for animals, for plants. Plants cannot survive without water. They need water to grow. So let us quickly go into the next topic, that is water in food items. The food items that we eat also contain water. So the different food items that we eat every day also contains water. Fruits have water in them. Fruits such as watermelon, grapefruit, strawberry, and orange contain high amount of water. So these fruits have water contained in them. Vegetables such as cauliflower, spinach, cucumber, tomato, eggplant, and radish contain a lot of water. So along with food, vegetables such as cauliflower, cucumber, spinach, eggplant, all this also have a lot of water content in them. So that is why we are advised that we should take a lot of fruits and we should eat lots of vegetables because they have high amount of water and water is very essential in our daily life. Now, our next topic is water pollution. So, although water is very important in our daily life, yet knowingly or unknowingly we pollute water. So, let us have a look at our next topic, that is water pollution. Contamination of water bodies such as lakes, rivers, ocean, and groundwater is called water pollution. So, contamination of these water bodies such as lakes or rivers or ocean or groundwater is called water pollution. So, contamination means the act of making water impure. So, we make the water impure. We pollute the water bodies such as lakes, rivers, oceans, and groundwater. This is called water pollution. Water gets polluted due to the addition of harmful substances in it. So when any harmful substance is mixed with water, the water gets polluted. So as you can see here in the picture, this is the methods by which we pollute water. So giving bath to animal in fresh water. We are making the water dirty. Factories, okay, the waste, the chemicals from the factories are released in the water bodies. So this makes the water impure. So let us have a look at some of the causes of water pollution. What are some of the causes or some of the methods by which water gets polluted? Washing dirty clothes near water sources. So when we wash clothes near the water sources, we make the water dirty. Bathing animals in lakes, rivers, or ponds. So giving bath to animals in lakes, rivers, or ponds makes the water dirty. Throwing garbage into water sources. So when we throw any waste, any garbage into the water sources, it makes the water dirty. Discharge of industrial waste into water. So when we throw or when we discharge the chemicals or the industrial waste into sources of water, it makes the water dirty. Now let us look at our next topic, that is clean water for drinking. So water in river and lake may look clean, but it is not fit for drinking. So we can see that the river water or the lake water is very clean, but it is not advisable. It is not fit for drinking it directly. Why? because it may contain germs. Okay, such water is called impure water. So we cannot drink the impure water. It is harmful for our body. Drinking impure water is harmful to our health. We may fall sick. It may cause several diseases such as cholera, typhoid, and diarrhea. So if we drink impure water, okay, if we drink water directly from rivers and lakes without boiling it or without purifying it, we may suffer from various diseases such as cholera, typhoid, and diarrhea. So we must always drink clean and purified water. So how can we purify water? We can purify water by boiling or filtering it. Boiling water kills all the germs present in it. So it is always advisable that we boil the water and then we drink, because boiling water kills all the germs present in it. Filtering removes all the impurities present in the water. So before drinking water, we should filter it because it will remove all the impurities from the water. We should always store water in clean and covered vessels. So never keep water uncovered. Always cover water and then keep it. So our next topic is saving water. So as water is very essential for life, it is always advisable that we save water. So fresh water has become scarce. Scarce means it is very little. Okay, it is left. Very little is left. So fresh water has become scarce. All living things depend on fresh water. So we must save it. So without water, we cannot even think of surviving. We cannot survive without water. It is very important for all living beings. Water is very important. It is an essential part of life. So we must save it. So how can we save water? Some of the measures to save water are: never leave the tap running. So we must never leave the tap running while brushing the teeth. Close the tap after use. So we must make sure that we close the tap after use. Do not throw plastic bags, bottles, tins, or other rubbish into the sources of water. So avoid throwing garbage or avoid throwing things like plastic bottles or tins or other rubbish into the sources of water. Do not waste water while bathing, washing, and cleaning. So don't just throw water. Use water whenever it is essential. While bathing or while washing or cleaning, we should always be careful that we are not wasting water. So gem for life. Keep sources of water clean. So it is very important that we keep the sources of water clean. We should not throw garbage into water sources. We should make sure that the sources of water are always clean. We should not pollute it. And also remember to save water, as it is very essential for our daily life. So in this picture, we can see that a boy is throwing garbage. Okay, so it is not right. So using excessive water while bathing is also not correct. Okay, we should not waste water. Thank you, students. Hope you all have enjoyed today's class. So I want you all to read the lesson once again. Okay, and always remember, we need to save water and remember to keep the water bodies clean always. Do not pollute water. Okay, thank you.